Hey everybody, hope everyone's doing really well. I'm here to tell you a little bit about something that I usually purchase just if I can't get a facial or something like that. It's something really great that you could do for your skin from the comfort of your own home. So this product is Honey Firm and Glow Mask Sheet by It's Skin. It's skin safety tested. I believe this is a Korean product. That's why you see the different letters and symbols here, and it's not in English. So I love this product because it makes your skin really soft and very smooth, and like I said, you could just do it in the comfort of your own home. And sometimes in the winter your skin could feel really like it could look dull and be really lackluster, and the product just really gives your skin back its natural glow. It rejuvenates the skin's elasticity, and it's great for one-time use. So you just use it one time, throw it out. Really, really simple. So this is the Honey Firm and Glow Mask Sheet. I'm going to flip it over. So some like the different language here, but it does have directions in English too to make it easy to understand. So It's Skin, the fresh mask honey. The cushion pulp sheet includes nutrition from fresh and natural ingredients, giving its own nourishment to the skin as well as solving skin problems. The fresh mask honey delivers natural glow and firming effect to dry skin. Very simple directions. After washing the face, apply toner to prepare the next step of skincare. Number 2. Open the pouch, take out the mask, and evenly place it on the face, except for the skin around the eyes and mouth. Remove the sheet after 15 to 20 minutes and gently pat for better absorption. All these ingredients, I'm just going to read a few of them so I'm not boring you guys and butchering all the words. So there's water, carbomer, sodium hyaluronate, root extracts, seed extracts, fragrance, some other things, grapefruit, licorice, ginger. The honey extract's really great. That's what makes your skin so soft and smooth. Products recyclable, and then it has the brand here at the bottom again. It's Skin. Cautions for external use only, of course. Avoid contact with eyes and discontinue use if signs of irritation or rash appear. Keep out of reach of children and replace cap after use. So it's really easy to open. Just rip this side. So I'm going to go ahead and open it, take the product out so I could show you guys. Okay, so I just opened it. So it's like very like wet inside, like from all the product that the sheet is kind of soaking in. So you just want to like make sure I don't think it would stain or anything like that, but like just be mindful of like where you're opening it, like bathroom countertop. I suggest not even like I have like a wooden vanity. I wouldn't even open it on there because then everything's going to get all wet. So I'm going to open it up to show you guys what it looks like. It's very, very moist, and there's a ton of product on it, and it feels really soft and smooth and silky, and it does have that like cushiony feeling like it kind of says on the label. So it's very, very soft and great for your skin. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. All right guys, so I've opened up the mask so you guys could see what it looks like. So it's very like, it's like thin but cushiony paper, and then you could see it has like, it looks kind of funny but it actually works out really well, and it has like this nice like cooling sensation. It's actually like morning and I just woke up, so it kind of like wakes you up and it wakes your skin up, and it leaves it feeling soft and moisturized. So even though it's like a little bit cool, like it's like cold, it kind of like warms up once it's on your face really, really quickly. And then it has the holes for the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. So you could still like, I mean, I wouldn't say like eat with this on, but you could still like go ahead and like it's not like you're like unable to talk or like drink or do anything. It has like the holes, so you could be comfortable for the 15 to 20 minutes that you guys have this on. And then, does it have something for the ears? Sometimes they have like a little thing for your ears to like tuck behind your ears. It doesn't have that, but that's totally fine. You don't need it. And then it like kind of, it goes down to your chin. So sometimes these are like a little bit long and like they'll go onto your neck. This is not really long enough for that, but that's fine. So leave it on your face for 15 to 20 minutes and it'll keep it really, really soft and really, really smooth and just rejuvenate, especially if it's like, the cold months. Like it's the cold months for me. Like just going outside and I don't know, having the heat on in the house maybe just like dries your skin out easily, and just the cool weather, like depending on where you live, of course, can really suck the moisture out of your skin. So it's really important to take care of your skin and, you know, improve elasticity and stuff like that. Especially, you know, once you turn like 30 years old, your skin, or late 20s, your skin starts losing elasticity. So you just want to like make sure you take care of that. And it's great for all ages. The product dimensions are 6 by 0.1 by 5 inches or 1.6 ounces. So just a little information about that so you guys can get a feel of how big it is. And the main ingredient, of course, is honey. It doesn't have much of a scent. It's very light. I could very like slightly smell the honey. So yeah, and it's like very, very like inexpensive as well. So guys, take care of your skin with Honey Glow and Elasticity Skin Safety Tested. It's skin one-time use face mask to give your skin back its natural glow. I hope you guys love it, and I thank you so much for watching my video. See you later.